Python and the Holy Grail to Lord of the Rings, BBCi has reviews of hundreds of movies at bbc.co.uk/films.
The scandal that needs no introduction.
Something that we hadn't really anticipated when we agreed to do this programme.
Okay.
But this afternoon we're going off to the Barkingside police station.
Right.
Where Christine and I are going to be arrested.
No. What for?
We're going to be arrested apparently on accusations of indecent assault.
When Louis Met the Hamiltons, a BBC2 exclusive, Tuesday the 11th of December.
Meet history's real tough guys.
We decided we'd go to Scotland and get a tattoo. We didn't figure we had a chance to go home.
Jim Campbell might be alive today. If he hadn't have said to me, Efren, you stay here with your gun. I'm going up.
The original Band of Brothers.
Every Army unit thinks it's the best. We knew we were the best.
The 101st Airborne Division. We stand alone together, the men of Easy Company. Friday at 9 on BBC2.
Bata bureaucracy now on BBC2. Strong language and some violence in Brazil.